Thanks so much for having me on the Activate session of 2022. I'm looking forward to not only sharing some of our experiences when dealing with web search initiatives, but to also learn a lot from all of the other participants of this event. I also hope there will be lots of questions and suggestions from all of you after this session. My name is Kai Winkler. My background is in economics and business administration. I have my master's degree with emphasis in finance, marketing, and project management from the Francisco de V in Madrid, Spain. My PhD with emphasis on applied business process automations in the financial industry is from the Universidad Latina in Panama. Professionally, I am working with CSS Commerce as Vice President of Service and Delivery and a partner at NSI. I am also the Director of Business Process Automations and RPA, as well as the Association of BPM Professionals, and in charge of running the chapter in Panama. We executed a search project for Mark's Plumbing, one of the major B2C and B2B plumbing suppliers in the US, with the challenge of a site featuring 1 million plus products and the typical hurdles of slow loading, searching, and navigation speeds. But on top of that, a huge challenge of frequent null results and suboptimal search results. In a nutshell, common problems a successful online enterprise always faces. Our first goal was to extend our search solution to the website menu, filters and layered navigation, provide predictive search options, and reduce null results to improve the response times to mere seconds in even the most complex queries. Our discussion focused on bringing the search term coverage and relevance in context with business context. Thereby, we allow the user to interface and create a balance per skew and category. In other words, we strive to incorporate variables relevant to the document itself, but also to the requirements of the business on different levels, not only after rendering, but also prior to producing the PLP and PDP. The challenge here was introducing placeholders in the functions for external sources to be able to skew the outcomes. As we laid out the concept, we wanted to assure relevancy through IDF and TF syntax matching, adapt the outcome by internal and external variables, allow the weightage and polarity to be adjusted, satisfy the UI requirements, and if additive, polarity allows for inverse boosting. We extended the Google API to capture the e-commerce aggregates and tendencies such as top-selling and low-selling items in a larger time series, as well as the e-commerce API to harness the vendor, SKU, and product ID. Our third goal was to assure that not only the realized search are stored into a database, but also keystrokes, menu navigations, search results, and the navigation from there as part of continuous improvements. With that, we can establish common routes within the menu, identify precisely the user that is logged, and group and filter search terms over time. That information can then be fed back into the search algorithms and their correspondent weightages to improve the time to purchase. I hope you enjoyed our introduction and overview to one of our search projects and can draw inspiration from it. We look very much forward to your questions and feedback. Thank you.